Hey friends, it's Emily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys, recently over break, I participated in Lush's Boxing Day sale, and if you guys don't know what that is basically the day after Christmas. All of their stuff, well, their Christmas stuff at least, is buy one, get one. So I got a ton of stuff from Lush over break, and I literally have not opened this box, and it came in the mail like 3 weeks ago, and I've been waiting for this video to open it, so I literally cannot wait. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. We're gonna begin by opening this box, obviously. So here we go. Wow. So the first thing we have in the box is packing peanuts, and oh my god, I don't have a bag for this. I'm probably just like gonna put them on my desk and clean them up later because I have nowhere to put them right now. So yeah. So the first thing we have in our box today is this jelly face mask.
Oh my god, is that Rudolph?
Alright you guys, so the very first product in the box today is this jelly face mask from Lush, and this is one of their Christmas edition face masks, so I'm really excited that I got it. This is called Rudolph, and I actually got 2 of them, but apparently I just looked in the box and one of them leaked, and it's now attached to my little packing peanut. So now I literally have to pick this off like so. So Lush, please do better. But anyway, I'm really excited to get my hands on these because they've literally been sold out in all of the Lush stores that I've gone to, so I haven't been able to swatch them. So I'm super excited to try these out. And this jelly face mask is to brighten and cleanse the face. It literally has a little jelly nose in the middle. It's super cute. Let's give it a sniff, I guess. That sounded kind of creepy. That came out creepier than I thought it would. But anyway, it smells like brownie batter and kind of minty, just a little bit, but it smells really good. I really like it. This is like definitely much more rubbery feeling. It definitely feels like a rubber face mask, like those rubber ones that like you put on your face and then they dry down into rubber and you take them off. That's exactly what this feels like. It's not as soft as the other jelly face masks. The red part feels exactly like Bunny Moon jelly face mask. I haven't ever tried this face mask out, but I have tried their Bunny Moon jelly face mask and it has done wonders for my skin, so I'm really excited to try these out and let you guys know what I think. So the next thing we have is this Sleepy Naked Shower Gel. I'm super excited to try this out because this does not have coconut oil in it. As most of you guys know, I am allergic to coconut oil and I will break out in hives if I come into contact with it. So I know that most of Lush's soaps have a lot of coconut oil in them, so I've never been able to try them out. So when I saw this on their sale, I was literally freaking out because it's a soap and it doesn't have coconut oil in it, so I can actually use it. So I'm really excited, and this is one of my favorite scents from Lush. This is the Sleepy scent. It smells like lavender, and usually, honestly, I hate lavender smells, but this one just smells so good. Wow, I can literally smell it through the packaging. I'm like really excited to use this one. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh wow, wait, what? Wait, so there's paper packaging and plastic. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I don't know if it's melting in my hands or if it's just slippery, but this is what it looks like. This is the Lush Naked Sleepy Shower Gel. It's purple. It literally looks like the bottle of shower gel, except it's naked packaging. And something about it feels really waxy, and it does leave a scent on my hands when I'm touching it. So I don't want to melt this, so I'm just gonna like hold it in the plastic, and maybe this will make like, I don't know, some ASMR vibes for you guys. It's super cute. It's tiny. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. It's about like 3/4 of my hand, which is like super tiny. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last me, but I'll definitely let you guys know. The scent of lavender is definitely not overpowering because I really don't like lavender scents, but this is just so soothing and calming that I do love it, which is weird because usually I never like lavender scented things. A lot of people use this by cutting it up because it's so big, it's like kind of hard to hold, and they say that like if you get the whole bar wet, it kind of like disintegrates in the shower and turns kind of like mushy, I guess. So they suggest cutting it up into little sections and using it like that. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this product, and yeah, I'm just gonna go test it out later on tonight. So the last thing in our haul for today and unboxing is this. This is the thing that I've been most excited for, so we're saving the best for last in this video. This I have been dying to get my hands on because the original small version of the Sleepy Body Lotion got sold out and I wasn't able to keep it in my cart. So I got this instead, and I snagged it before it got sold out, so I'm super happy about that. This is the Sleepy gift set. This one has the Sleepy Body Lotion and the Sleepy Shower Gel in it. Not the Naked Shower Gel like this one, like the actual bottle. So I guess we'll open it up and compare bottle sizes. So yes, let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging on this one is super cute. I am so here for it. It's little metallic packaging with, oh wait, that kid's not an angel. I don't know. It's just some little kid holding a candle. Now we have a little blue box and let's open this up. More packing peanuts. This is just exactly what I wanted. But oh wow, they are literally shaped like stars. This is the cutest thing ever. What the heck? This is what I have been waiting for. Oh my gosh. Sleepy body lotion. This is my favorite thing that Lush has ever carried. And I hope it will never like leave the Lush collection because it just smells so good. And oh my gosh, let's open it. This is what it looks like on the inside. It kind of got a little bit tilted sideways because that's how my box has been, so sorry about that, you guys, but there's a decent amount of product in it. This is the 1.5 ounce jar of lotion and it's a really pale purple and has a little silver luster dust on the top, which is super cute. I just love the way that this smells. I'm really gonna be using it for when I go to bed because I honestly have trouble falling asleep because I usually go to bed around like 3 or 4 a.m., which is not ideal. Don't do that. I bought this in hopes that it would help me sleep better because it's supposed to help you relax and sleep. And it has lavender and tonka lotion in it to just calm you down and soothe you before going to bed. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. And the very last thing we'll be unboxing today is this Lush Sleepy Shower Gel. These two are the same things, but this is package free and this has a bottle. I'm not sure if you can return these to Lush and recycle them, but I'll figure that out later. Let's see how this smells. I've actually never smelled the body gel. Wow, it's closed. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, okay. This one smells a little bit more lavendery than I would like. It doesn't smell exactly like the lotion. The lotion smells a little bit less lavendery and a little bit more sweet, if that makes sense. It's a very sweet smelling collection. So this shower gel is a sweet lavender sudsor that soothes and relaxes your body and mind. So I'm excited to give this a go. I don't think it has coconut oil in this either, so hopefully I'll be able to use it and let you guys know what I think. But yeah, that is it for my haul. It was a small haul, but I'm like, this is my very first Lush unboxing, so that's like really exciting. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more unboxings, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And yeah, that's all for today. So thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!
There we go. There you go. There we go. Look at it. Now it's good.